everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a really bold holiday makeup look. I'm gonna start off with the face using rose water. For the holidays you want your skin to look flawless. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's such a great foundation, awesome coverage, and I really like it. I'm gonna mainly use the Huda Beauty Dusk palette. For the eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the shade Fine Wine. I'm gonna use it as my base for the eyeshadows because they will stick better on the eyelids. Okay, I will take this MAC single eyeshadow in the shade Brick. Finish off the eyes. Pencil brush. I will use this Maybelline sculpting brown mascara in medium brown. I really like this one. Like that. Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer, my favorite. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline blush in the shade Dirt Pink. Dior Face Glow palette. NYX lip pencil in the shade Neutral. MAC lipstick in the shade Cream Cup. NYX Soft Matte shade London. That's it. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!